Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? Today, we're diving into the Apple AirTag 4-pack, your ultimate solution to never losing anything again. What truly sets AirTag apart is Apple's incredible precision-finding technology, powered by ultra-wideband. Imagine your lost item is just meters away, and your iPhone literally points you in the right direction, guiding you with visual, haptic, and audio feedback until it's in your hand. Setting up your AirTag couldn't be simpler. It's a magical one-tap process with your iPhone, getting you started in seconds. It integrates seamlessly into Apple's Find My network, giving you peace of mind knowing you can locate your belongings even if they're miles away. And don't worry about spills or dusty adventures. These tiny trackers boast an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, making them incredibly durable for everyday life. Attach them to anything, your pet's collar, luggage, or even your kid's backpack, and forget the stress. Compared to generic Bluetooth trackers, the sheer scale and privacy of Apple's global Find My network makes the AirTag an unbeatable choice for tracking your most important items. If you're ready to upgrade your peace of mind and stop misplacing essentials, click the link in the description below to grab your Apple AirTag 4-pack on Amazon today. For anyone looking for the best Bluetooth tracker and a smart investment in 2025, the Apple AirTag is an absolute must-have electronic gadget.